Alright guys, it's been a while since I've posted about this kitchen, I know. Things have come up that have delayed this kitchen. And I'll say, number one, if this is your first time checking me out guys, like and subscribe, check out my other channels, check out my shorts. That's what I've been posting a lot of lately, has been shorts. Haven't posted any longer videos for a little bit just because the shorts have been doing well. And I wanted to kind of reset my game plan when it comes to these long videos. So, number one, the kitchen still isn't done. I haven't filmed much new work to it. I mean, as you can see, I got my switches on here. Our hood looks great. I did some trim up top. All that stuff was looking good. The main problem is when you're working at your own house, once something becomes functional, it's very easy to have those last couple steps to finish it. I got caught in that trap. I had a lot of things over weekends that I had to work on. Life has been a little bit crazy lately, so it was just like, oh, well, we can use the kitchen, but it'd be nice if it was completely finished, which it's just like very, very close. What I have left to do is I have the shelves to put up, which I'm figuring out the wood. I have some old wood that is really nice wood, but it needs to be planed down, so I don't know if I'm going to use that or not. That would be free. It would be nice, and it's real wood. I have to finish painting the ceiling. The walls on the sides have been painted and everything. Just a little bit of trim work to do up in the top corner. And then the new faucet to put in, which the new faucet will be coming today, actually. So that'll be fun to throw in. That will definitely change up the corner over here. Yeah, but it's just been delayed. When I first started this channel, right away I got like 1,000 subscribers and I got very excited. And I was just like, I need to pump out long videos at least once a week, you know, or not once a week. I wanted to post 2 or 3 times a week actually. And I think I did in the beginning. But I'm operating off of a phone. I'm editing on a phone. It's a lot. So I really just want to get set up on this where I have my own separate camera or a phone that has enough space, because I do my TikTok, my shorts, and my long videos on here, and my memory on my phone is just bad. So what I'm trying to do is I'm trying to get myself organized here, get the camera, get the laptop, and take this seriously because I want to put out good videos for you guys. I have a lot of ideas. I have a lot of projects coming up as far as bathrooms go. My house has a lot of things that need to be updated, so I'm excited to share those. So the kitchen's almost done. Let me just give you a quick tour and show you where we're at, and we'll wrap this up real quick. I just wanted to say hi to you guys and give you a little update. So here's one thing you might notice. That's black. That's not. The problem is the paint that we got was supposed to be a dark gray to black color. And this just has a blue look to it, which Mrs. Doc was not trying to have that. I think it looks good, but she wanted a black color. So we'll see. I mean, either one looks good. That's been another delay, so we're figuring that situation out. Over here, as you can see, the outlet's already loaded, but I got a new USB style outlet in here, which is nice for charging your phone and stuff. It's a good little spot to have one. So that works. Another problem we have, my lights up here. These are a pain to take out, and the lights that I got to replace these with, the holes are too big. So that's a problem that I'm trying to figure out. They make lights that actually go flat to can lights and it totally covers them up. I'm kind of considering going that route. I just recently put this trim up here to kind of clean up the finish at the ceiling, and I'm really happy with that. I really like how that turned out. So the backsplash is looking really good. I'm going to be finishing this crown all the way over to that point there. I got to sand some of this spackle and paint the ceiling. The cabinets might be getting painted again. That's where we're at with those. That's not up to me. That's up to the project manager. So otherwise, everything else really is looking good in here. As I said, once you get to this point where it's livable, it's very easy to just kind of get a bit complacent and not finish the job. And the paint is done over here too. So this is called aged beige. We pretty much have painted most of our house with this aged beige because it's just a very clean looking color. This wall was difficult to deal with, and there's still more spackling touch-ups I'm going to do on it. It was just hard to see where I'm going to need to do the patches because it's a plaster wall. This wall right here was really screwed up, and I touched that one up, and that came out pretty good. So just those small little details we gotta get done. And as I said, I'll be doing the faucet will be going today. The faucet's out. So that's where we're at, guys. Again, thank you for liking and subscribing. If you're looking for quick tips, check out my shorts. I've been posting those at least once a day. So check out the shorts. I know that's where a lot of this following is coming from on my YouTube channel, which it doesn't matter to me, whatever you want to follow me for, whether it's my shorts or longer videos. I'm just saying I pretty much hit a reset button on my longer videos and wanted to make a better plan than what I was doing when I started. I was kind of just filming everything. I don't know if I want to vlog some of this stuff. I don't know. I got a lot of ideas. So I appreciate you guys following Dave Doc DIY. You can check me out on YouTube, whatever. If you ever want to email me and ask me any questions, davedocdiy@gmail.com. And until the next time, thank you guys.